Okay, so one of the most questions I usually get asked on WhatsApp is how to withdraw money from PayPal in Zambia and how to create an account and so on. So I've decided to make this video so that I save myself time from being asked this same type of questions. So here is what you need to know about PayPal in Zambia. Okay, so first of all, with PayPal in Zambia, if you are to create a Zambian PayPal account, you could only send or make payments online, and you wouldn't be able to receive or withdraw at all. But you would receive you would receive refunds if something you bought wasn't good and would like to take back your money. You would receive a refund. So how do you withdraw money or how do you receive money using PayPal in Zambia? So there are tricks online, videos you can watch how to make a PayPal account that can both send and receive money, and I've made such a type of video, so I'll put the link in the description on how you can do that. So how does that work? So by creating a PayPal account from a country where PayPal has no limit, you can be able to send and receive money. But there's one more tricky part. Yes, you'll be able to create an account that can both send and receive money, but when it comes to withdrawing, that's where the problem is, because you would need a bank account from that location of the country you've chosen, or you would need a Visa card which is supported to be able to withdraw money. So unfortunately, that's where the hard part is, because most of them have been blocked by PayPal. Nothing seems to be really working when it comes to withdrawing. So the only option you have is selling those PayPal funds to someone who's interested, or the other option you have is by using those funds to buy or to pay for something online. Okay, so these are the only options you have as at now if you'd like to make use of those PayPal funds. Okay, so one of the questions you might be asking is, why is it that way? Why are we not being able to withdraw money in PayPal? Well, the answer is simple. It's because of the money regulations in Zambia. That's the reason why we're not able to do that. So yeah, so if you find a way of withdrawing money from PayPal in Zambia, feel free to let me know by commenting or contact me. I might make a video about that to help out other people, because that is what this channel is all about. Yeah, so the video to this video I'm talking about will be in the description. So bye for now. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe and share. Once I find a working way, we'll surely make a video on that. Bye for now.